Alright, today I'm doing an item unboxing from RedLine Tuning. It is a hood quick lift. Well, guess cat's out of the bag. But let's open this up. Alright, and there I have it open. And they provide all the hardware that you will need to get this installed with a set of instructions. Yes. Everything we're going to need. Oh, you actually rivet these things on. Ooh, looks like we're going to need a rivet gun. And here it is. Stainless steel. Nice little gas shock absorber here. Open it up. And there it is. That is pretty sweet. I like that. And the connections here. Oh, nice. Slides into place to lock them in. This one has a little clip to lock it into place. They provide all the tools that you will need to get this done. This one will probably go on the hood or maybe on the frame of the car. Or vice versa. Good thing we have our instructions. And check it out. They put it in a Ziploc baggie to ensure that it gets protected to you and all in one piece. And it tells you exactly how to measure what you're going to be needing. Power drill, drill bits, 1/2-inch socket, hammer, and there you have it. Sweet. Yep, told you that goes on the hood. That one goes on the hood, and this one goes on the frame of the car somewhere. Nice. So this is just an unboxing. Next video we'll do is how to install this. I am gonna have to bring my rivet gun from home. I think that's the only way to be able to do that. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.